Just a quick video to show you some of the bodywork. So we are masked up. Put some latches in there to capture that down. This here was a nightmare to get anywhere close to lining up, as you can see. So this would have a black seal in it along here anyway, and then also the black seal would follow along through there. But the panel gaps here I was not happy with, so done a huge amount of work to try and get that better with door positioning. Had to rebuild a lot of this edge to get that a good line up there, and the roof has got a good line up. Obviously just needs seals to hold it up into position. And then the other areas that were bad on the bodywork were the gaps here and here. So I've had to cut this and I've had to rebuild these to line up. So this to this to this lines up perfectly, but the gap is not great. So there you can get a finger in, there you can't. But that's probably the worst section. And again, you'd have a black rubber seal coming along here. So there is a latch that goes in here, but the latches that you buy, which are the GT40 replica latches, are a fraction of the size of that, so they actually fit here. Behind this there's a loop that the bodywork locates into, and that's on both sides. That's just an oval cut. You can get a piece that joins between here and here, but there's really no need, so I didn't choose to go that route. I just tried to keep it simple to then put the effort into making it look good. Then we come around to this side, and you can see we have the same issues here. So it doesn't line up at the moment because it's not clipped down, because I can't, because there's covers over the engine in there so it doesn't get painted. So you can see where I've had to resand this and reprofile this, ready for paint. This is all new, built up so that it lines to this, to this, to this. And you can see what the gaps would be like if it's closed. And you might just be able to see under there the lip that it locates against. And then up front, again, it's not fully clipped down, it's not clipped in position, so the front hatch is all out of place at the moment. So the full size ones of these are silly money and not IVA proof. So I've got lockable ones in here that the caps are actually retained, so you can get through IVA and then they can be changed to whatever you want. Obviously once you're out of IVA, all the issues go away, you can do what you want. The other trick is not to put in the side glass, or if you do put in the side glass with the sliding hatch on it, then put a mirror back here, because you're supposed to be able to adjust the mirror adjust either mirror from the driver's seat. And if you've got the glass over here and the mirror is down here where it would normally be on these cars, you fail IVA. And if you pre-fit the glass, so all the holes are there to fit it, then you fail IVA. So they're a pain. But there you go, that's that. Yeah, so anyway, I hope that's a bit of an introduction, and speak to you again soon.